Your first question is, which of the following is correct? Your options are A. Social equality is not guaranteed in our constitution. B. Social equality already existed in our country. C. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution. Or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution. Your question is, constitutional government means. Your options are A. A representative government of a nation with federal structure. B. A government whose head enjoys nominal powers. C. A government whose head enjoys real powers. Or D. A government limited by the terms of the constitution. Right answer is D. A government limited by the terms of the constitution. Your question is, one of the implications of equality in society is the absence of. Your options are A. Privileges, B. Restraints, C. Competition, or D. Ideology. Right answer is A. Privileges. Your question is, what is the legal nature of the preamble of the Constitution? Your options are A. It is enforceable, B. It is not enforceable, C. It may be enforced in special circumstances, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. It is not enforceable. Your question is, how many types of justice has been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 1, or D. 4. Right answer is B. 3. Your question is, the mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? Your options are A. The preamble, B. The fundamental rights, C. The directive principles of state policy, or D. The fundamental duties. Right answer is A. The preamble. Your question is, the ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in. Your options are A. The chapter on fundamental rights, B. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights, and fundamental duties, or D. Nowhere else in the text of the Constitution. Right answer is C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights, and fundamental duties. Your question is, economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in. Your options are A. The preamble and the fundamental rights, B. The preamble and the directive principles of state policy, C. The fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. The preamble and the directive principles of state policy. Your question is, consider the following and arrange these in chronological order. First, Golaknath case. Second, Keshavanand Bharti case. Third, 24th Constitution Amendment Act. Fourth, 42nd Constitution Amendment Act. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes A. 1324, B. 1234, C. 3124, or D. 3142. Right answer is A. 1324. Golaknath case, 24th Constitution Amendment Act, Keshavanand Bharti case, 42nd Constitution Amendment Act. Your question is, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court regarded preamble as a part of the basic structure of India Constitution? Your options are A. Birubari case, B. A.K. Gopalan case, C. Privy Purse case, or D. Keshavanand Bharti case. Right answer is D. Keshwanand Bharti case. Your question is, in which case did the Supreme Court first declare that the preamble is not a part of the Constitution? Your options are A. Behrubari, B. Sajjan Singh, C. Golaknath, or D. Keshwanand Bharti. Right answer is A. Behrubari. Your question is, in which of the following cases Supreme Court held that the preamble forms part of the Constitution? Your options are A. Union of India versus Dr. Kohli, B. Banarsi Das versus State of Uttar Pradesh, C. Bommai versus Union of India, or D. Malak Singh versus State of Punjab. Right answer is C. Bommai versus Union of India. Your question is, who has termed Constitution a sacred document? Your options are A. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Deen Dayal Upadhyay, or D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Right answer is A. B. R. Ambedkar. Your question is, who among the following called the preamble of the Indian Constitution the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Vallabhbhai Patel, C. B. R. Ambedkar, D. K. M. Munshi, or E. Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer is D. K. M. Munshi. Your question is, which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? Your options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. The preamble, or D. Right to constitutional remedies. Right answer is the preamble. Your question is, which of the following is true in relation to the preamble of Constitution of India? Your options are A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. B. The above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1977. C. The above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1985. Or D. These two words are not part of the preamble. Right answer is A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. Your question is, in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, which justice is provided to all its citizens? Your options are A. Social, religious and political, B. Social, economic and cultural, C. Social, political and cultural, or D. Social, economic and political. Right answer is D. Social, economic and political. Your question is, which among the following is not mentioned in the preamble to the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Social justice, B. Economic justice, C. Political justice, or D. Religious justice. Right answer is D. Religious justice. Your question is, which one of the following reflects the most appropriate relationship between law and liberty? Your options are A. If there are more laws, there is less liberty. B. If there are no laws, there is no liberty. C. If there is liberty, laws have to be made by the people. Or D. If laws are changed too often, liberty is in danger. Right answer is B. If there are no laws, there is no liberty. Your question is, which of the following words is not in the preamble to the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Socialist, B. Secular, C. Sovereign, or D. Public welfare. Right answer is D. Public welfare.